So another thing, I'm pretty sure I said this before, but if you're scared of heights, then this is probably not one of the hikes for you. Welcome to Schynige Platte.
Day 4. We're headed to Interlochen Ost to catch the train. We're gonna stop by the co-op and grab a baguette or two. Two. It was really good yesterday. We made it up to Schynige Platte. It took about 55 minutes on a cogwheel.
I think we might have found the biggest slug ever. It's moving at a slug's pace. They're loud.
We made it almost to the top.
This is like a half
It's to the top of the mountain here. No, we weren't even close to being done with this hike.
Well, if you lost your hat up here on top of Schynige Platte, somewhere around it, there it is. This is which way we're gonna go, right off the edge there. And that's where we came from. This is our trail. All right, let's continue on. If you're gonna come up here and do this hike, it's a bit rocky. Definitely wear some hiking boots or something. It's probably like a moderate hike. Not too bad so far. So look, we got a little bit of a drop off, but you can see the ground. But then on the other side, you have a major drop off, and you definitely cannot see the end. Now there is certain drop offs that you gotta be careful of, like something like this. Just be careful. Safety first, Owen family.
There. She's not going backwards.
Safety first, Owen family.
So lean forward. Or not lean back.
Just sit. Can you sit normal?
Oh God.
Just pretend like there's a big rock wall behind you.
Well,
Big rock wall. Big rock wall.
There's not though.
Don't worry, just in case you're worried about safety, they definitely put up some ropes here so you won't go over.
Wires.
Yeah. Safety first. The trail that we're on is clearly marked. It's got these red, white things, so just kind of follow that all the way. So we took the high road. You could take this little, the not so high road I guess. It's like kind of in the middle, but you wouldn't get to see a lot of the things that that we got to see on the cliff edge. Probably the coolest hike we've ever done, except it's probably the most dangerous hike that we've ever done.
Like that drop off, there's nothing there. Nothing. It's just, but we can't see it.
Can't see because it's all
So it
clouds.
doesn't make it as scary.
Well,
But I know that there's nothing down there.
looks like a little whistle pig. Whistle pig right down there. I think that's another one calling it.
Yeah.
Safety first. That is a big cow patty. All the cows have bells around their necks in Switzerland. In September there's a big parade, and whoever gets to be the best cow gets the biggest bell. When you're walking up here, make sure you're careful because there are a few ant hills. That'd probably tear you up. Now we gotta go down these steps. Good luck. So this is where we decided to stop and eat some lunch. That was a nice little break for lunch, and now on our way back to the train station that way.
What's here? What is here?
Something just ate
Like
the head
mouse?
off that mouse.
Some bird of prey.
Maybe. Here's the anthills. But here's the thing, is that if you look down there, there's one right there, one right there, over there. They're all over the place. Be careful of those ants. They'll tear you up.
There's a succulent.
I like that.
That's really pretty.
Then you find cool flowers and succulents and everything else along this hike. Oh, and another anthill just on the side of the trail. Stopped for our rain gear because it started raining again. A little cloudy out. Nothing as bad as it was yesterday. Oh! Don't step in the cow patty.
Did you just step in?
Yeah, I just stepped in the cow patty. Oh, made it into the train station. Well, we are on our way to get something to eat. Fondue part 2, since we didn't get it at on our anniversary. Do over. So we're gonna go check out the little bit of this town, and then we're gonna go eat the fondue. So this is like the water going through the town. It is going so fast. One final walk down the street through Interlaken, Switzerland. All right, well, we decided to get some fondue.
This cool little tavern. I feel tall because you walk down and it's just like what do you think of an old tavern?
We saw a horse on the menu. We saw horse. We saw veal, and we decided to get fondue. We decided to get hash browns with bacon, egg, and Swiss cheese, potato soup, and an iceberg salad. Should be pretty good. It's coming up. Hopefully.
Potato soup.
Pretty good. What do you got? Salad, bacon, cheese.
Not good dressing.
Do not eat the dressing. I think that's bad. Sour. This is the hash browns, and then you have the fondue, bread, fondue.
We might be getting her pizza. We just finished eating at Baron restaurant. It was really good. Chris got those hash browns that were excellent. My potato soup was really good. I like the cheese fondue. Kendall, not such a huge fan because it had alcohol in it and you could taste it. So we're gonna grab some ice cream on the way home. Check out whatever peak this is up here. You can see it. It looks really pretty with the sun. Day 5. We are at the Interlaken West train station, getting ready to catch our train to Basel, Frankfurt. Trip has been good. We like it here. It's really clean. If you could rate this out of 5 stars, what would you give it?
hike was probably like 10. Like yesterday was probably the best hike we've ever done,
Yeah.
I would say.
4
Probably like 7 or 8.
out of 5 stars.
Oh, out of 5 stars? Oh, I'm sorry. 5 stars, let's go 4.5.
Our neighbors woke us up again at like 4 o'clock this morning. Not happy about that. We made it up to Schynige Platte.
Let's see.
You are sweaty.
I know.
You
One,
say it.
2, 3.
Welcome to Schynige Platte.
Oh,
Is that better?
yeah, you really